Jacob Sherman here, product and dealer marketing manager for Develon. Going to go over our DX225-7X, which is our newest and latest excavator that we have in the product lineup. This blue signifies, and this X, that it's an X model. The X model is actually our latest and greatest machine that features electrohydraulic functionality. As we get more into the cab, you'll see some of that capability manifest itself in some of the features that are in this machine. Similar with all of our machines, easy access to the coolant department, fuel filtration, and etc. So you'll also see on the side panel one of our call outs for this show, the standard automatic belt tensioner. Back to that daily check and being able to stay with a very convenient machine to operate. It's just one of those features that we incorporate in a standard to help keep that machine with higher uptime for a work day. You'll also see as you go down to the undercarriage, we utilize seal self-lubricating track pins. Very durable track system, but also low on the maintenance side. Now that track system is supported by our X-frame, which is a design that we utilize at Develon on our excavators. And as you come to the front, you can really see how that design is visually impressive with how that frame contours and supports the track system. Just like with any type of machine, long work hours requires a comfortable working environment. With that, as I mentioned, we have the electrohydraulic controls, but what I'd really like to focus on is operator comfort in this machine. You can see this high back seat, highly adjustable, standard air suspension. One other thing that I'll mention, standard telematics on this machine. So that's going to obviously enable you to monitor the machine's location, hours, and its usage. Now, along with this specific machine, we also offer 2D grading as well as a fine swing on the work tool. So if you are in a situation where you don't want that pendulum effect, that fine swing, of course, helps offset that momentum and gives you better control of your load. You can do a lot more customization in the monitor. Let's say if you want to create more sensitivity, let's say on your hydraulics, you can change the flow adjustments in your monitor and gives you more of a customizable performance for your inputs. So once again, as we come around the machine, a couple things, you get cameras. And I'd also like to call attention to something that's really big news for us here at Develon. On the majority of our machines, we now have a 36-month or 5,000-hour full coverage warranty. So that's a dramatic increase, and I think it speaks to the confidence we have in our machines in the marketplace now.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.